All LUC Qualité Fleurier movements are COSC certified, the official Swiss chronometer certification. During 16 days, this neutral and independent body tests each movement for 360 consecutive hours in 5 common wrist positions. In order to obtain the chronometer certification, the mean variation must be less than -4 + 6 seconds per 24 hours. All the LUC Qualité Fleurier movements meet the high precision requirements. A certification synonymous for both quality and exclusivity. Only 3% of the Swiss watch production is COSC certified.